کاوے مساوی موجود ہیں جو کہ آج کل پھر پاکستانی میڈیا کا مرکز بنے ہوئے ہیں. ان سے پوچھتے ہیں ان کا جو ریسنٹ یہ اپالوجی انہوں نے نواز فیملی سے مانگی ہے اس بارے میں ان سے بات کرتے ہیں. مساوی, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Mr. Mussavi, you have recently apologized to Sharif family that you unable to find a single penny corruption against Mr. Sharif family. Could you please explain what it is and why it is needed now?
As I say, I've said it about 20 times to the Pakistani and international media today. When the facts change, I change my views, and the facts have changed. There is not a scintilla of evidence, and the evidence that the government of Pakistan provided is a bunch of fraud. It's a pack of lies. It's nothing. And the High Court in London threw out their application to try and seize the Sharif assets in London and elsewhere. When the facts change, I change my views. And I'm not going to stick to a position that is unsustainable. The facts are there is not a scintilla of evidence linking 1 rupee of illicit wealth to Nawaz Sharif or his family. Not one scintilla.
Okay, you are telling that there is no even a single evidence you found against Mr. Sharif family as the facts are changed. About only relates to Mr. Sharif family, or your same opinion about other peoples including like Mr. Asif Ali Zardari or Bhutto's family?
Well, Broadsheet didn't deal with Mr. Zardari, and my investigation of the late Mrs. Bhutto and his family ended on the 28th of October 2003. So I really am not competent to discuss that, because whatever I say will be old stuff, and I think you know it all.
Okay, the last thing, this interview which shows that you are making an apology with the Sharif family, when it was recorded?
I think it was last week. Yes, it was last Tuesday.
And when they came to record the interview, did they ask this question, or you made your own statement?
No, I think it was on Twitter that I said that, and also as part of an ongoing court case we have with against elements who've been involved with NAB, and as part of that I've kept people informed, and that's what it came.